Now, it looks like watching movies at theatres in Karnataka and OTT subscriptions will prove to be a more costly affair. Now, movie tickets in any case on an average are already priced high, isn't it? Which is why most of us clearly resorted to watching content on OTT. But looks like you're going to be entertained at your expense quite literally. The Karnataka government is mooting the idea to increase the cess charge by 2%, and the bill has been tabled while the discussion will take place next week in the Assembly.
Already petrol, diesel, stamp duty, milk, everything rise. So once again they started to put the taxes of cinema theaters, OTT, something. Means this government is become pauper government. So there is no money.
So they
That's
are
why
generating money for
generating.
movies?
Yes, they are generating the money. Already they are started.
Neha Hebale, my colleague, joins me for more. Neha, seems like you would also have to shell out more. Well, of course, if this bill comes into effect, that is, we do understand it has been tabled. It will be presented in the Assembly next week. Having said that, Neha, we're also given to understand this is a move for the benefit for a particular section of the cinema and artists, sector, that is. Is that the case? How is this being received as well?
Well, yes, Nivedana, of course, it's interesting here to note that this bill was introduced just yesterday on the floor of the Assembly, even as you had the BJP that was staging massive protests there, not really allowing, of course, for the session to go on there. And this bill was something that was introduced, amidst all of that chaos, which is probably why it went unnoticed. Of course, now coming to the matter at hand, while this bill is supposed to be coming up for discussion now next week in the Assembly, if it does get implemented, this essentially, of course, means that there would be a 2% cess now on movie tickets and on OTT platforms also in the state of Karnataka. How this is, of course, going to pan out on ground is going to be perceived as possibly things getting more expensive in the state of Karnataka. But the government on its part saying that, this is merely just a 2% cess that's being levied, and this is being done for the welfare of the artists, for the welfare of the actors, and all of those, of course, that have a key role to play as far as the entire cinema industry and the culture industry is concerned. We'll really have to wait and see if this bill does go through without any opposition on the floor of the Assembly, then how, of course, this would pan out with the people in the state.
Right, Neha, probably on a lighter note, you'll probably have to go and watch all those movies before this comes into effect. But thank you very much for joining us on the broadcast and helping our viewers better understand why this potentially could have been taken as a decision by the state government. For now, let's leave it at that. Let's